Well, guys, this car here has now gotten to the point, it's pretty close. There's quite a bit of little things left to do on it. Like, I wrote a list down, bleed the brakes, put the radiator into it. You guys all make fun of me for how I say that. And small stuff like that. But let's be brutally honest here. I'm getting really tired of working on this car. I need a change of pace. I need a change of enthusiasm. So what we're gonna do is just send this puppy outside and get a new stray dog in here. But we have done quite a bit of work to this car. We have done basically all the suspension swap to it, front and rear. We got a bumper, we did a motor swap. We built a one-off custom cage for this. There's still quite a bit of things left to do to it, but honestly, I just need a damn break from it. You know what? Excuse me, it's a great car, but I just need a break. This thing's been sitting in here since November, and it is now March. It's probably gonna be probably gonna post a different car before I post this one, because I've lost all enjoyment of working for this thing, working on this thing. So like I said, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this one outside, we're gonna clean up the shop, and we're gonna put this thing in storage for another March, April, another 3 months. So before this thing goes outside, we have to go around it and make sure I got out all the tools that are inside of this thing. Because I don't know what's been left in here, and it's been in here so long. And then we're gonna do a good sweep and then put this thing into storage. So let's go through, see what tools I can find in here. I got some screwdrivers, some ratchets. There's usually quite a bit of tools I leave in these things. We've now got everything cleaned out of the inside. It's time to see what the weather's like today. You know what? Compared to how it was this weekend, the weather is actually beautiful. Is the door? Oh my goodness, it's almost unfrozen enough for me to open it. It's gonna be a little difficult to get the car out because that's as far as I can open that door. I think I can do it though. It's gotta move a whole bunch of stuff over here. This is the problem with the doors. It's as far as I can open that one. I think the car can fit through here. Just gotta move a couple things. Some tires. Oh, something that we're probably gonna be doing tomorrow is going to get my Cavalier out of storage as well. And it will come in here, but I think I can work on it on the ground. So I'm not too worried about that. Okay, let's get this thing all set up to come out. Okay, can you fire up for me, please? Touch those together. So this car has been a good car so far. It's just I've been working on it for so long that it's starting to wear on me. And my thing is that if you work on something so much and it makes you not want to work on it more, is it really worth working on? So we're gonna put this thing outside. Thought I had a better tarp than this one, but I guess not. Thought I had a better one. It's kind of nice to have one that's a little thicker, so then the water doesn't get through it as bad. But who knows? I probably got a better one, just can't find it right now. But you know spring's here because the gooses are flying overhead. There we go. Like I said, I would have been happier with a nicer tarp. But as far as I'm concerned, she's tarped up. Little rock for the header. Maybe I'll put some rocks on the roof too. Now we can go clean up the garage. Are you guys ready for your next car to be pulled in that has my interest? I'll be right back. Oh, I missed the door. Damn locks. It's a Nissan Versa. I'm joking. I wouldn't build a Nissan Versa. This here is just my yard little lady. And we're gonna clean up all the stuff on the ground after that Solera and get it inside this girl here. Because, I would like a fresh start. New car, fresh start, clean garage. So let's get this thing clean into this old dumpster car, and then we'll let you guys take a look at it. Well, we got this thing in here. I figured since it's in here, I might as well use the hoist to drain the gas and cut the catalytic. But a couple of you guys say, why don't you run that Nissan Versa? Well, it's a pretty weak front end on this. It's not a full subframe. It's more like a Corolla, and the frame is very, very narrow. Like it's less than 2 inches wide. Motor mounts are not great. Subframe tie-ins are kind of weak. You know what? And the transmissions with the CVT are really not known for reliability. This one here hit a headlight on the highway and it busted all the radiator out of it, and it just wasn't worth fixing. So the guy got rid of it. But for me, it's just a dumpster car. Even though it's like completely rust-free, it's not bad. I've never seen a Nissan Versa last long enough to actually see how the back end of these things do, but it's got a solid control arm on it. I imagine these things would bend. Imagine this would bend in, because like this doesn't look super reinforced or anything like that. But we just got the cat out of it. We're draining the gas, and then the shop will be nice and cleaned up. And just like that, we now have a clean shop. A little watery, but that's okay. And we got the Nissan Versa outside here, ready for scrap. Even though I drained the gas, there was enough fuel in the lines to drive her out. So it just drove out of the shop and parked itself over here. So that was kind of nice. So, wouldn't really waste my time derbying one of these, unfortunately, but they make great dumpster cars. Not as good as caravans, but great dumpster cars. Thanks for watching, guys, and that car, I think it's gonna do good. It's just, I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it. I want to do something new. I want to do something that is enjoyable and easy to build. And I think you're actually going to see those videos before you see the Solera videos. Not sure yet. We'll see. thanks for watching Zach's Workshop. I greatly appreciate it. And we're going to be moving on to a new, cooler, buildable project that I think that you guys are really going to like. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Take care.